Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Trisha. Today I wanted to share this requested video with you in case you are trying to figure out how to make that wall planter for your faux or real air plant. This is an inexpensive and easy project for you to try. So let me show you the steps. I took a plastic zip envelope and cut the sides off. Then I cut it down the middle. I also removed the zipper. Next, I'm going to take a 9-inch baking pan and place it on top of the clear sheet that I just cut. Afterwards, I grabbed the pen and traced the outline of the pan. Now I'm going to take my scissors and cut along the line that I created. To get rid of the pen line, I used a little bit of rubbing alcohol and it came right off. I decided to paint the baking pan two colors, black on the outside using this Rust-Oleum spray paint, and on the inside I'm going to be using the same spray paint but in white. Before I start spray painting, I'm going to place tape on the sides. Once the paint dried, I removed the tape. Next, I'm going to apply epoxy to the edge of the pan. When using epoxy, simply dispense equal parts of epoxy and hardener onto something like aluminum foil. Then take a stick and stir it for 20 seconds. Epoxy is really good to use if you're trying to bond plastic to metal. It gives it a permanent bond and it's water resistant. After I finish applying the epoxy around the bottom half of the pan, I pressed the plastic down to make sure that there were no spaces. I did not want anything to seep through the plastic. Next, I placed command strips on the back. Then I added a pack of white pebbles inside. Then I placed it on the wall and added my plants. It's as simple as that. If you're looking for something to add into your space and you can't figure out what that is, try adding a plant. It really brings a lot of life into the space. So, is this a project that you would try? How do you like using epoxy? Thanks guys for watching. Make sure you check out all of my videos and hit that subscribe button. If you like what I did, hit the like button too and share it with everyone. If you're on Instagram or Facebook, please be sure to stop by and say hello. I'm at designsbytresha on Instagram and at I'm TrishaJA on Facebook.